Welcome back, viewers. The war of words is escalating before the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray referred to Devendra Fadnavis as a bedbug and to Union Home Minister Amit Shah as Ahmad Shah Abdali's political descendant. Let's first listen in to Uddhav Thackeray's controversial statement.
बऱ्याच वर्षांनंतर मी पुण्यामध्ये तुमच्या समोर येतोय. खरं म्हणजे मला जाहीर सभा घ्यायची होती, कारण आता लढाई मैदानामध्येच होणार, हॉलमध्ये नाही होणार. आणि जसं मी परवा मुंबईतल्या शिवसैनिकांसमोर बोलताना बोललो, ज्याचा उल्लेख संजय राऊत यांनी केला, आणि इकडे एक फोटो आहे, एक तर तू राहशील किंवा मी राहीन, आणि इकडे मला माहित नाही माझ्या पायाशी एक कलिंगड ठेवले. काही जणांना वाटलं मी त्यांना आव्हान दिलं. मी कोणत्याही ढेकणाला आव्हान देत नाही. मी म्हणजे कोण आणि तू म्हणजे कोण हे समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. मी म्हणजे माझा संस्कारित महाराष्ट्र, आणि तू म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रावरती दरोडे टाकणारा दरोडेखोरांचा, टोळक्यांचा पक्ष जो आहे, तो अख्खा पक्ष.
Now, in response to Uddhav Thackeray's remarks, Rohit Pawar, leader of the Sharad Pawar NCP faction, has voiced strong support. Pawar said that Uddhav Thackeray has delivered a fitting response to Devendra Fadnavis and other BJP leaders. Let's listen to him.
See, what I would say is it's Mr. Uddhav Thackeray's style. In his style, he has given a right answer to Devendra Fadnavis and all the BJP netas. That is what I would say.
Now, after Uddhav's controversial remark, politics has heated up in Maharashtra. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that Uddhav Thackeray has lost his mental balance, hence he is making such statements. Criticizing Uddhav, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra sarcastically remarked, "What can one say about such statements?" Let's listen in to what has been said.
उद्धवजींचा डोक्यावरचा ताबा सुटलेला आहे. ते अत्यंत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड आहेत, आणि त्या फ्रस्ट्रेशनमध्ये ते ज्या प्रकारचे शब्द वापरत आहे, मला असं वाटतं की याच्यावर काय उत्तर आपण देणार आहोत. तेव्हा एखादा व्यक्ती अशा प्रकारच्या फ्रस्ट्रेशनमध्ये डोकं बिघडल्यासारखा बोलतो, त्यावेळी त्याला फार उत्तर द्यायचं नसतं. पण हे भाषण करून जे अमित शहानी सांगितलं होतं, औरंगजेब फॅन क्लब, आपण औरंगजेब फॅन क्लबचेच आहोत, हे मात्र उद्धव ठाकरेंनी दाखवलं.
So a lot of former invaders, Muslim invaders being named, Ahmad Shah Abdali and Aurangzeb are being named. Arunil is joining us. Arunil, what is this about? We know the elections are coming, but Devendra Fadnavis and Uddhav Thackeray are perpetually fighting with each other. What's going on now?
Well, Uddhav Thackeray, in his speech yesterday, basically hit out at Home Minister Amit Shah as well. Amit Shah, during his sabha in Pune, had said that Uddhav Thackeray is the leader of Aurangzeb fan club. In a retort to that, in a response to that, Uddhav Thackeray basically said that Amit Shah is a follower of, is from the family of Ahmad Shah Abdali. Abdali is the Afghan ruler who had invaded India, and particularly he had fought against the Marathas during the Panipat War. That is why Uddhav Thackeray tried to present Amit Shah as an enemy of the Marathas. Now, coming to Devendra Fadnavis as well, Uddhav Thackeray sometime back had said that in Maharashtra politics, either Devendra Fadnavis will stay or I will stay. This was in response to the controversy that has been brewing up now, wherein Anil Deshmukh, the former Home Minister and leader from Sharad Pawar's NCP, he had said that Devendra Fadnavis had asked him to take the name of Uddhav Thackeray in the Vasuli scam. Basically, give out a document saying that Uddhav Thackeray was also doing Vasuli, then only he will be given a reprieve. In response to that, Uddhav Thackeray hit out at Devendra Fadnavis. Again, an attack was launched by Uddhav Thackeray and Devendra Fadnavis. Devendra Fadnavis also responded saying that Uddhav Thackeray is frustrated. That is why he's saying all this.